Interstate 25 right now in Casper, Wyoming. As you can tell, got a fairly decent amount of snow overnight. I think right now it's almost 9:30 in the morning, mountain time. I'm on 2nd Street in Casper, Wyoming. Roads are just slush. They are slick, but it's like pure slush. So Interstate 25 here in Casper heading north is under construction. Right now I am trying to merge onto 25, but we have to stop and let everything go before we can actually merge onto the interstate. Kind of get around it. Like you can see they have like all of 25 in this area just completely torn up. So yesterday with the winter storm warning, they were kind of talking about the Casper area getting maybe about 4 to 6 inches of snow. I noticed this morning that they kind of upped that level somewhere between like 8 and 12, maybe 15 inches. So we'll see. I can say I got in town around 10 o'clock last night and it had started lightly snowing, and by the time I woke up around 7, 8 o'clock mountain time, there looked to be at least 2 to 4 inches already covering my car and everything else around. It'll be interesting to see how the rest of the day plays out.